Hello Werewolf Army, this is Jaden from Jaden's Videos, and two new Halloween Prop 2016 teasers just dropped by Grandin Road. So let's get into the video. So the first one we have right here is Vlad Moreau Vampire. I think that's how you pronounce his name. But he's a cool prop, and it's good to see more vampire props, especially because the Haunted Castle theme in Nightmare House 2016. But I'm not really a big fan of this one, and the reason why is his face looks... it's the same head shape and face as the male talking bust from Michaels, and I believe it was 2011. Yes, there are the interactive talking busts too, and those were sold at Spirit and Sam's Club, but there was also just the male one sold separately, which this one's sound effects are from, because it has the dramatic music playing in the background too, which only the male one had. So it's the same sounds and it's the same face, so he's a cool prop, but I just don't really like how they took the talking bust thing.
Welcome to our humble haunt. Turn back now. You're in grave danger.
Okay, so this one is actually my favorite out of the two. I think it is a really cool prop. It is the Haunted Typewriter. Now, there are a few reasons that I love this prop, and I'm probably going to pick it up this year. There's a few reasons that I love this prop, and the main reason is because, I mean, what's not to love about it? It's a haunted typewriter. That's really unique and a really cool idea, and I also love how it types out help on the keypad. And it also has the thing goes from side to side. The top thing that holds the paper goes from side to side, and you can just see that it says help over and over again in different fonts, just help, 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 help. So I think it's really cool, like a spirit trying to get back into our world. I think it's really cool, and it's a very unique prop. And another reason I really like it is because I love the haunted props, if that makes sense. Like the props that are supposed to be like the haunt, for example, haunted chandelier, ghost writing book, haunted reveal mirror, the haunted reveal clock. We have the haunted lamp. All the props that are supposed to be like ghosts are communicating with them. I love those types of props. They're just so cool, because instead of just a ghost that you can see for a prop, it's more realistic, because you can't see ghosts most of the time. You can just feel their presence and you can see what they're doing. So I just think it's more realistic and it's more eerie, because it shows you that their presence is there, but you can't see them, but you can see things moving by themselves, and I think it's really cool. I also forgot to mention, I want to thank Haunt Station for posting the links to these videos in his description, because Grandin Road actually took down the videos after the first few minutes, but oh well. So both of these props are really cool, and I would really like to see them in stores for the 2016 Halloween season, but most of all, I'd like to pick them up myself, mainly the Haunted Typewriter. Keep howling at the moon, my werewolves. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.